It's summer, which for me means I'm ready to travel, get a little sun, and relax. If that's true for you, then subscribe to this month's Essential Oil Recipe Box. This month's theme is summer, and it comes with 6 different recipes, 4 essential oils, plus fun extras to make those recipes. Let's look inside. We've got 6 different recipes, labels, dried hibiscus flowers filled with antioxidants to help your skin recover from the sun, liquid aloe vera, which is cooling and a natural way to regenerate skin cells, 2-ounce spray bottle, and 4 essential oils. Anise Star, which has a sweet and spicy aroma that helps relieve gas and nausea. Palmarosa Essential Oil, which is sweet and floral, helps reduce swelling, is calming, and is great for the skin. Grapefruit Essential Oil, which has a very energizing and uplifting scent that can help mental focus and balance the oils in your skin. And our head soothing blend, which not only helps ease headaches, but is made up of whole wood, lavender, and frankincense essential oils that are great for reducing inflammation and create a cooling effect on the skin. You can get all of this for $39, so subscribe today and we'll throw in our big bonus box. Our big bonus box has carrier oils in it, beeswax, and other containers to hold your recipes in to make your home more natural easy. So subscribe today to make your home more natural.